Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the 18,000W Wind Generator Kit, a versatile renewable energy solution designed for a variety of applications. This wind generator offers multiple output voltages, including 12V, 24V, 48V, 110V, and 220V, making it suitable for diverse energy needs, from small off-grid systems to larger installations. At first glance, the 18,000W wind generator boasts a robust three-blade design that enhances its efficiency in capturing wind energy. These blades are engineered to optimize performance, enabling the generator to operate effectively even in varying wind conditions. Notably, the auto windward adjustment feature stands out, as it allows the blades to automatically align with the wind direction. This capability minimizes energy loss and enhances the overall efficiency of the system, ensuring that users can rely on consistent performance. When it comes to installation, this wind generator kit is designed to facilitate a straightforward setup process. Users will find that the comprehensive installation guide provided helps in navigating through the assembly and mounting procedures. This user-friendly approach is particularly beneficial for individuals who may not have extensive experience with wind energy systems. The kit includes essential components, although prospective buyers should ensure they have the necessary tools and additional materials for a complete installation. In practical use, the 18,000W wind generator can be an invaluable asset for those looking to harness wind energy for various purposes. Whether utilized for residential power generation, agricultural applications, or backup energy systems, this wind generator is capable of providing a steady supply of electricity when conditions are favorable. Its adaptability to multiple voltage outputs makes it particularly appealing for users who may have specific energy requirements based on their setup. As with any renewable energy product, it is essential to consider the environmental conditions of the intended installation site. Wind speed and consistency significantly influence the generator's overall effectiveness, so thorough site assessment is advisable before proceeding with installation. In conclusion, the 18,000W wind generator kit presents a solid option for those interested in utilizing wind energy. With its efficient blade design, automatic windward adjustment, and compatibility with various voltage outputs, it offers versatility for a range of energy needs. By approaching installation thoughtfully and assessing environmental conditions, users can potentially benefit from the reliable energy generation this wind generator promises.